Let's look at the smart features in HOMESERVA and SMARTSERVA. First, let's look at the first one. The first one is called invoicing. Invoicing means you can simplify the billing process with automated invoice, ensuring accuracy and timeliness. Example, residents receive monthly rent and maintenance bills directly through the apps and can pay with a single click. Next, let's look at our second feature. The second feature is called utility billing. This app can track and bill utility precisely, providing residents clarity on consumption. Example, water and electricity usage are monitored in real time with costs itemized in an easy-to-understand format. When you have visitors visit your home, you can manage visitor access with digital locks and pre-approval features for security. Example, residents can pre-register guests through the app and receive a QR code for smooth entry at the gate. This is good. Next, when you see the calendar picture, it means facility bookings. These features means you can reserve community amenities with an online booking system. Example, you can book the tennis court for Sunday morning through the apps and get quick confirmation. Next, the fifth feature is called announcement. Announcement means you can announce important information quickly to all residents. Example, a scheduled loss of electrical power notice is sent through the apps, so residents can plan accordingly. The sixth feature is called suggestions. These features means you can collect and manage residents' suggestions for community improvement. Example, I propose a new recycling program via the apps, and the community votes to implement it. Next, when you have an internal meals app, management and residents can have a secure communications. For example, you can send a maintenance request to the property manager and track its progress. When you see this angry face, it means you can log and resolve your complaint with a transparent and efficient system. Example, you can report a noise complaint against a neighbor and receive updates as the issue is addressed. Next, the ninth smart features is incident reports. It will enable residents to report incidents fast for immediate actions. Example, residents can report a broken gate triggering an immediate repair response from the maintenance team. Furthermore, in the management accounts, it's a quick tool for financial oversight and reporting. Example, management can review monthly expense reports and compare them with the budget. If committee have any minutes with management, you can keep an accurate record of meeting discussion and decisions. For example, you can access the minutes from the last HOA meeting to catch up on what was discussed. When you live in a bustling city life, emergency numbers features offer quick access to essential emergency contact. For example, in case of a medical emergency, we can quickly find the nearest hospital contact information. Emergency SOS request features means you can send out an SOS request in urgent situations for immediate assistance. Example, trigger an SOS alert through the apps when locked out of the home, alerting security. This is interesting. For the sub-user accounts features, it means it allows residents to create accounts for family members with customized permissions. For example, parents create sub-accounts for their children to access the community pool independently. For the 15th smart features, card access. Card access provides a secure and convenient card-based entry to facility. For example, swipe my access card to enter the gym any time of the day. Next, when you see a human face, it means this is a face recognition access features. These features will enhance security with biometric access control. Example, we can use facial recognition to access the building, ensuring only residents can enter. Wow, this is good. Next, vehicle plate recognition access. These features will automate vehicle entry with license plate recognition. Example, as a resident's car approaches the gate, the system recognizes the plate and opens the gate. This is good too. Furthermore, contractor service permit. Contractor service permits is a feature to manage and monitor contractor permissions within the community. Example, we can issue a time-bound service permit to a contractor for a home renovations project. Tickets features. It means we can organize service requests and issue with a ticket-based system. Example, we can submit a ticket for a leaky faucet and track the status as it gets resolved. One of the interesting features is called HOMESERVA. What's meant by HOMESERVA? HOMESERVA is a streamlined point of sales transactions with the community. For example, purchase a membership for community yoga classes directly through the apps. HOMESERVA and SMARTSERVA Marketplace. It connects with local vendors and services in an online community marketplace. Example, we can buy handmade craft from a neighbor or sell it an unused bicycle through the marketplace. When you see this segment belt, this is concierge service where you can access a range of personal service to make life easier. Example, schedule a car wash through the concierge service without leaving your home. When you see this cute command, it means handy service at your command for maintenance and repair. Example, book a plumber to fix a leak at a convenient time through the command features. Furthermore, with a laundry smart features, we can conveniently schedule laundry service with pickup and delivery. Example, arrange a weekly laundry to be picked up, cleaned, and returned within 24 hours. Member smart features. It manages resident profile, privilege, and information centrally. Example, update your contact information and emergency contact in the member sections. Tenants accounts. Tenants account means tenants can manage their lease, payments, and communications with landlords. Example, you can review your lease terms, pay your rent, or message your landlord about renewing your lease. Wow, this is good! Next smart features is called committee. Committee means you can facilitate committee operations with tools for collaborations and decisions making. Example, you can organize committee works on community matters and publish results for transparency. Delivery lockers features means you can securely receive package with automated delivery lockers. Lastly, if you need assistance at any time, you can press the Help Desk button too. In summary, HOMESERVA and SMARTSERVA redefine modern living with seamless property management solutions. Connect, manage, and enhance your community experience with a touch of a button. Welcome to Smarter Living.